Well, so today we will discuss about another important topic in SAP SD, that is outline agreement. Okay, so we will discuss about the basic overview of outline agreement and what are the different types of outline agreements we have. Okay, so these are the table of content. You just go through it, and now we will start. We will see what is outline agreement. Okay, so outline agreement plays an important role in nearly all business processes. So outline agreement is one of the important process in procurement as well as in the sales. Okay, so we have in different processes as well. Okay, so customer and vendor agreed on the goods to provide under certain conditions and within a specific period. So outline agreement means customer or it may be the vendor are agreed to supply or to get the goods under certain conditions with specific period of time. Outline agreements streamline business process for both partners in a business relationship. They replace the need to create separate order for every delivery, saving time and ensures consistency. See, outline agreement is nothing but it is a agreement made between the customer or vendor so that the vendor can supply a certain quantity of the material certain period of time, or business has to supply certain quantity of material at certain prices to the customer. Okay, so this process helps business to save time and ensure consistency and to maintain relationship with the customer as well as the vendor. Okay, so here we have some real time business scenario. Okay, so the one of the industry has a large customer. Okay, we have a large customer like Tata Motors that buys steel frame every month for vehicle manufacturing. So instead of raising a fresh sale order, every time Tata Motor places an order, the sale team creates an outline agreement once covering the full year. Okay. So let's say if the Tata Motors sell wants to buy sell steel frames every month for vehicle manufacturing. In that case, so they are going to raise a fresh sale order every time whenever they place an order. Okay. Without outline agreement, 12 sale orders per year, 12 manual price negotiations, 12 separate contract, inefficient and error. So with outline agreement, one agreement covers all deliveries. See, outline agreement helps us to deliver for entire year on certain quantities and certain prices for the full year. Tata Motors simply calls off delivery as they needed. Okay. So this is one of the real-time based scenario. There are two main types of outline agreement. One is scheduling agreement, another one is contract. So we'll see what is scheduling agreements. See, there are two types of outline agreements once again. So there are two types of outline agreements, scheduling agreement and contract. See, both are same, but the functionality is different. So scheduling agreement means so fixed delivery date and quantities agreed upfront. So in scheduling agreement, delivery dates are scheduled. Okay, delivery dates are fixed and quantities agreed upfront. So based on the quantity, the fixed delivery dates will be there to deliver the product to the customer. Used when customer knows exactly when and how they need it. That is JIT manufacturing. That is just in time manufacturing. So basically, this JIT manufacturing process flow will be used by the Toyota company. Okay. So when they need, they will procure the material. Okay. Contract. So contract is a framework agreement without fixed delivery dates. So in contract, we don't have any fixed delivery dates. So customer releases individual order against the contract as and when required. Okay. And even in contract, we have two types. One is quantity contract and value contract. So let me explain you with Excel sheet about outline scheduling agreement and contract. Let's say, so scheduling agreement we have. So in scheduling agreement, so fixed scheduling agreements, let's say we have made a agreement of 1000 quantity. Okay, 1000 quantity for 1 year. Let's say for 1 year at certain prices. Okay, on certain prices. So what the customer will do, they will give a fixed delivery dates. Okay, fixed delivery dates like on every 10th of January, let's say 10th of February. So like this for a whole year, he's going to fix. Okay, once again, 10th of March, 10th of April. So like this till December. Okay, till December. So till December, he is going to give the fixed delivery dates. Let's say on 10th of January, he required 20 quantity, sorry, 200 quantity. Okay, on 10th of February, he required 100 quantity. See, all these are fixed in scheduling agreement. But in contract, okay, so let's say they made a 1,000 quantity of contract for 1 year. So whenever the customer required product, okay, so he will generate a sale order with respect to contract. Okay, no fixed delivery date. Okay, whenever customer required the product, he will generate a sale order with respect to contract. So this is the difference between scheduling agreement and the contract. Okay, now these are the transaction codes we are going to use to create scheduling agreement. We have 31 to create scheduling agreement, 33 to display, even we have a 32 to change. This is to delivery due list. Okay, then this is for outbound delivery. VA 41 is to create a contract, display contract. Okay, so sale order creation. See, these are all we'll see one by one. Okay, now we'll see outline agreement types overview. So already we have seen, okay, outline agreement we have, see, as I told, scheduling agreement, contract. In contract, we have two types. One is a value contract. So in general, and another we have, see, a contract, we have quantity contract and value contract. Okay, we will see this, how to create. So first we will discuss with scheduling contract. Okay, sorry, scheduling agreement. A scheduling agreement is an outline agreement between you and sold to party, that is customer, that is a valid for certain period. And the scheduling agreement contains fixed delivery dates and quantity. These dates are contained in the scheduling lines for scheduling agreement. Okay, these contains the scheduling lines, means delivery schedules. Okay, once scheduling agreement is due for delivery, you can create delivery as normal or by using delivery due list VL10N. Okay, so we'll see this one by one. So this I told you, example. So if the customer Tata Motors, the material he required is this one and quantity is 20 units. So agreement they made, deliver 20 steel frames to the Tata Motors in 3 batches. So 5 units first delivery on fixed delivery date, 5 units on second delivery, that is fixed delivery date, and that is scheduling lines. 10 third delivery final batch, that will be 20th 22 April. Okay, now we'll see how to create scheduling agreement. So we have this path, so navigation path, or else you can go with the transaction code. Okay, or else we'll go with the transaction code. Now see, here we have the navigation path. Say SAP menu, logistics, sales and distribution, means we have this. So here SAP menu, logistic general, sales and distribution. See here, sales and distribution, sales outline agreement. So here we have sales and outline agreement, scheduling agreement, sorry. And here we have VA31. Okay, instead of that, directly you can go to VA31. Okay, see here. So scheduling agreement has, say, same path. See here, the standard document type for scheduling agreement is LP. Okay, LP. So what I will do here, so I'll select LP document type. Okay, so here LP. So same, all the document types you will be getting here. We have Vivo V8 transaction, or else I have shown you in the previous class Vivo V8. If you go to Vivo V8, see, you'll get document type here LP. See here for scheduling agreement. So don't change anything here. See, all these I have already explained you. Okay, LP is the document type for outline agreement. So now what I will do, so here sales organization, distribution channel and division. Okay, so here see, mention all these, and here we will enter all the required details. So press enter, and let's say I'm going to make an outline agreement with this. See, this is outline agreement. Okay, outline agreement, enter. So validity, see, it is asking me the validity for outline agreement. Let's say I will take from today's date to, let's say, by next year. Okay, I will go with till, okay, 6 months. Okay, enter. And material, let's say I will take this finished material. Okay, I will take this, and target quantity, let's say 100 quantity. And here I will maintain the plant. Okay, double click on this, and here I will select the shipping. Under the shipping, I will maintain the storage location, and the conditions, I will maintain the pricing here. Okay, so TEGR, let's say 100,000 INR. Okay, now you can check the incompletion log. Okay, we have shipping condition. So I'll take shipping condition as 01, then redetermine. Then next, terms of payment, net value. So terms of payment, then the price. We have already maintained the price. Now double click on this. Okay, easier. I think it has not fetched. So let's take this. Okay. Next, net value. What we have maintained. Na? Okay, go back. Let's see. So here we have already maintained. Okay. See, we have maintained all the details. Okay. Validity we have entered. Okay. Then material details that we have entered. Okay. Then we'll set the storage location. Okay. We have defined all the details. Okay. Now, price why it is not fetching. See, the item category LPN it is fetching. So 1000 we have maintained. Let's make it as 100. So double click on this condition we have maintained. See, so why this? Already have entered. What is the issue? Missing data. Let's delete this. TEGR only. TEGR. Okay. So why? What is the issue? Go back. So we have maintained all. Okay. Let's maintain PR00 instead of this. Let's try. So we'll use standard PR00 TEGR. So it is taking, but why I'm getting an error? For the item 10 only I'm doing. Item 10. What happened? So let's change this customer. Make it 305. Okay, check now. And we will see here incompletion log, shipping condition. Why it is asking shipping condition 01 only. And next info terms, next terms of payment, take this. Next net value. Yeah, it has taken missing net value already maintained. But it is, see, this is my gross price. It is asking me the net price. Why it should not ask me? See, net value is missing. See, net value it is not taking. Quantity, why it is taken 0? Go back. Target quantity I have entered. It's a 10 quantity. Why net value it is not calculating? It should calculate the net value. Because I have entered the quantity and I have entered the amount. We'll see why it is not calculating. So I'll open another screen. There I will go to LP, check division, the value, check credit limit, credit group. Everything is perfect here. Pricing procedure. There is A only. Okay, next. Okay, let's see with another configuration. Yes, MJ, let's see the pricing configuration. So go to sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing control, and here we have defined and assigned pricing procedure, set pricing procedure, and see what is there any changes in the configuration we'll see here. Yeah. So here we have created our own, that is TE, select, double click on this. See here, so this is for gross and uncheck this. We'll see. Uncheck that required field. I have unchecked it. Let's see now. Enter. So check incompletion log. Still here. Let's create one more time. Go to VA01. Enter LP. Process sales document LP with VA31 LP. Enter the details. Item category. Valid from. Let's see now. No, still it is not calculating. Okay, let's see here. Go to incompletion log and the shipping condition. Next, redetermine Incoterms. Enter. Go to next incompletion log. Terms of payment. Select this and net value. See, it is not calculated. See, even though I have given, it is not calculating the net value. So no, don't change this. Now go back. We'll see rest configuration. Okay. So here is customer pricing, document pricing procedure. And here you'll see assign document pricing procedure for order type. So our order type is LP, right? LP. So standard EA is there. Okay. Next, here assign set pricing procedure determination. So everything is perfect. But why it is not calculating TESO? So you can see here TGR. Everything is assigned. But it should calculate the pricing. Let's see in the pricing procedure itself. We'll see what is the issue in this. See the analysis. So let's maintain, go back. So let's maintain the condition record, then we will see. So first what I will do, I will check this. So this is TE pricing procedure. Select this, double click on the procedure, and here everything is perfect. Gross price. Okay. Then we'll check the standard RA. So this is the standard one. Let's see for this. Let the value go back. So CT will check for our configuration. So TE, select this, double click on this, and we'll see our net price and check this manual. Save. Now I'll try here. We'll create one more time. Enter. Let's enter all the details, quantity. Let's see, or else we'll check one more configuration. Then double click on this, and I will go to target sorry, not order. Next, I will go to shipping, maintain this, go to conditions, and here I'll maintain TEGR, enter. No, it is not calculating, and it has not picked the pricing either. This one, quantity. So let's make it 100 quantity. Now go to conditions. Now it has calculated. See. So here this was missing the quantity. Okay. So under sales, this quantity I have entered. Now it has taken. Okay. Now go to incompletion log. So let's see. So net value it is taking. Go to shipping condition, and here I'll maintain standard. Next, redetermine, and here I'll go to Incoterms, maintain the Incoterms. Then we'll maintain the payment terms. Okay, payment terms. Select this. Now the document is complete. See, document is complete. Just go back. See, document is complete. Now I will save this. Okay, save this. So the quantity we have entered is 100 quantity. Okay, you can see quantity you have entered is 100 quantity as per my scheduling agreement. Okay, so scheduling agreement is saved. Okay, we have saved it. Now we'll go to display scheduling. Okay, we can go to display scheduling agreement, that is VA33. If you want to change anything, you can go to VA32 as well. See, if you go to VA32 slash and VA32, if you go to VA32, if you want to change any scheduling agreement, you can change it. Okay. Now you can check the document flow as well here. If you click on this flow, so you can check the document flow. The 100 quantity of scheduling agreement, and the status is still open. Okay. Now we'll go for delivery due list. Okay. So here we will check VL10N. Okay. And we can check here. See, this as is the outline agreement. Sorry, scheduling agreement. The scheduling line dates has arrived. Industry warehouse must create a delivery for 5 units of steel frame to the Tata Motors, and we need to 10 VL10A. Okay, to check the delivery schedules, to define the delivery dates. Okay, so here what you have to do, see here, same we have done everything. So you can see here, and one more thing, I forgot to define this. See, I forgot to define this delivery dates in the scheduling agreement. What you have to do, so you need to go back to the scheduling agreement, change scheduling agreement. Okay, change scheduling agreement, and we need to define the delivery dates. So double click on this, then you need to go to scheduling lines. So here, see, let's say here, see, as per this, see, I will maintain these delivery dates. So let's say today is 29th. It has taken 100 quantity. What I will do, I will select this, delete. Okay, let's do one thing. So let's say on 10th of 10, 07, 26, one date, then 10, 08, and 26. Okay, if you take these dates, once again, I will create new scheduling agreement. I'll go to VA31, enter. Okay, select this, select all the details, select the validity, then enter the material. Let's say target quantity 10. I am creating new scheduling agreement. Select this, and I'll maintain this. Go to sales. So here I'll maintain payment terms. Incoterms also I will maintain, and here enter. Next, we'll check the incompletion log. Okay, it will ask the shipping condition. I'll use 01, then click on redetermine and go back. So here again you double click on this. Now what I will do, here I will go to scheduling lines. So here I will define the delivery dates. Let's say next month. So then August, then I will go with 9th. So 3 months I am going to schedule. Okay, let's say order quantity 20, 30, and 50. Okay, enter. See here, delivery dates has scheduled. Okay, these delivery, see, In the last sale order, I forgot to define this. Okay, you can see here, these are the scheduling lines. So what I will do, I will take the screenshot of it. I'll take the screenshot of this. Okay, and I will maintain here. Okay, so this is my delivery dates for scheduling agreement. Okay, now I will save this. See here, 3001 is my scheduling agreement. 3000 is my scheduling agreement. So now next step is we need to check the scheduling lines here. See here, there is, if you want to check change, you can do it. And here we have VL10A. Okay, so here you can delivery due list, we can check it out here. Okay, so what you have to do is we need to go to VL10A. I will go to VL10A /n VL10A, and here I will enter my shipping point TESP, and see, we need to enter the shipping point, and we need to enter the ship to party. If you want to enter, you can enter it, or else you can go with TESO. So if you want to check with the specific customer, you can go, or else I will enter my sales area TED, distribution channel and division TED. So you'll get all the scheduling agreements here.